Corn. Okay, look, DTCE right here, and my brothers over there actually videoing me. Look where we are right now. Fucking motorway right there. This is a fucking bridge that's not even built yet. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna fucking risk my life here. I don't know why. Bro, it's solid! It's solid, man!
Yeah. Don't stand on it. Just walk across the overhead. There you go.
Nah, bro. That's a death wish because that middle bit, no support. That, oh, we're actually on the bridge.
Yeah. We actually be up here.
Bro, that's the view, man. Yeah, so, bruv, wait,
Sure, don't do that yet.
are they secure enough?
No.
Gonna walk over it?
No.
Bruv, I'm gonna step on it.
No, don't.
Okay, yeah, well, bruv, we're gonna go down, but this is dodgy as, bruv. This is gonna fall apart if there's too much weight, and I can already feel. How the fuck are you supposed to get up that? Bruv, that's all it's supported by. That's all. Oh, bruv, we can get underneath it. No, look, that bit right there, that's more supportive than up there. Bruv, I want to do it. I want to. Bruv, I'm doing that on the way back. Okay, so DTCE signing off.
See you in a bit.